Hello, I'm Sarah with WTI. This is my dog Honey, and she must have toys that squeak. This set of balls from Outward Hound has given her toys that squeak and that she loves to catch. For me, they are durable, and that tells me they're going to last no matter what she does to them. Honey likes to play every day in the backyard, so these are really taking a beating, but they are lasting. Most importantly, the squeaker is working, and she loves the squeaker, and also the fact that they're lightweight, so she's able to catch them and run with them and chew on them. The bright colors tell me that I can find them easily in the yard, which means they're not going to get lost in the grass and then run over by the lawnmower. Honey chooses these exclusively. Even if she has other toys to choose from, she really loves squeaking these toys, running and fetching them, so it's giving her a ton of exercise. I've been very happy with this set, not only because Honey loves them, but I love them too, and she really enjoys running around in the backyard, chasing after these, and making tons of noise with them. And that is my point of view.